Okay, today we're going to remove this right here because this actually sits up here, and there's one screws there, one screws there, and two little ones over here to hold on to this safety shroud right here, or cover. Uh, that's where your choke lever. So just put it in the center so you can pull it out easy. The thing here, we're gonna have to unclamp this right here because we need to get into this bowl to clean it. That's our gas line right there, so I'm gonna remove it so that way I can clean it. Anyway, I put some paper towel down here so it will stay, but I'm just gonna move that. I put it up here so it won't leak on me. Unscrew these 4 screws and get to the bowl and just clean everything out, I guess. Oh my lord. So that's what it looks like inside a bowl. Not too gunky. What happened to the other screw? Okay. Did it fall down? Oh, right here. I caught most of it, but oh shoot, fucking needle just came out. This stupid needle right here, that's what's holding on to the bowl. And I'll pull that out. The needles is okay. The only thing is has the little gunk on there, but it looks okay. The float looks okay. And then I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. There's a gasket right there. What I'm gonna do is, there's a bunch of gunk in here. That's like a little filter right there. I'm gonna spray some carburetor cleaner. Carburetor cleaner? Alright, I got some carb cleaner. It's actually there's a little filter right here. And clean that. I guess that's where the spittings are. And then there's a little hole right here. And that came right out. This little hole right here, that's where the gas comes in. So I cleaned that. And then the filter, that's actually a filter, and it's pretty dirty in there. So I'm gonna clean that up. It's really stuck. Can't really do too much on those, I don't think, but Now I can see it. It's actually a small, tiny filter. Right here. I'm on camera. Anyway, that's the filter. And I try to clean up a little bit right there. That's what goes to here to prevent gunk from entering, I guess. Seems to be working okay. I just spray all this crap. And the bottom of the bowl kind of messed up. All a bunch of gunk stuck down there. And it's pretty green. So I'm gonna try to get that out as much as I could. Oh, I guess school's out. Anyway, that's it on that. Pretty nice and clean now. Not as green. Green, I think it's the oil. The leftover gunk oil that is stuck in there. Alright, time to put it back. I think that's it. I spray the float, which has some stuff on top of it. And the needle. Put the float back in there and line that up. Put your needle back, the holder, the needle holder, I guess, right there. And it's working okay. Not really too sticky. Oh shoot, that stupid pin. They should make something that the pin won't just come on one side, but anyway. Or like a little stopper or something. Anyway, it looks alright. Let me put my filter back. Alright, now put this back and we should be good to go. Screw my screws. Four screws. Now that's it. Everything all nice and out and clean. Now let's see. Alright, everything's tight. I have to put this back, the gas line. And then reclamp it. Now let gravity feed it. Let's pump this up, move the camera a little bit, and pump it up. Now let's try it. Let's see if we'll put it back on choke. enough gas. And let gravity feed up a little bit. Nope, not enough gas yet. Put some in. Let's see. Come on. There we go. You can see it's leaking out a little bit. I mean, there's enough gas in there now. Let me stop this video so I can let the gas go through, and then I'll make another one.